Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a poll on Instagram stories, engagement boost step by step clearly. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Navigate to the top left corner of your screen to access your stories. Tap on the camera icon to create a new story. You can take a new photo or video, or select one from your gallery. Once you have your background ready, look for the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Tap on the sticker icon to open the sticker menu. Scroll through the options and select the poll sticker. After selecting the poll sticker, it will appear on your screen. You will see two blank fields where you can enter your poll question and two response options. Type your question in the first field. In the second field, enter your first response option. You can customize the second response option as well. Position the poll sticker on your screen by dragging it to your desired location. Once you're satisfied with the placement, tap on the Your Story button at the bottom to share it. Your followers can now respond to your poll directly within your story. Monitor the engagement by checking the view counts and responses in your story insights. Consider following up with your audience based on their responses. This engagement will help you connect with your followers more effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.